e don burst o. My people, they say that the northern elders don come outside come tell Tinubu na because of wetin he don do for all these years. Him be koko man o. They say Tinubu is a drug lord or whatever. He say na because of all the whole thing wey he don do, that is why the westerners now come dey use am dey blackmail am, and that is why wey they no wan good for Nigeria. That's why Nigeria dey where they dey recently. I come say this one dey happen for here. As we dey talk that one, they say that the Idoma, Ishekiri, Efiok and all the whole Niger Delta or some part don come outside. They come say that the Nigeria government can never divide them and their Biafran brothers. It cannot happen again. And people, I'm going to show you the video. Remember, say it's still there for news info. Share this video and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. So I'm going to play you the first video for you to watch, and before we come back and continue, just watch the video and hear what this northern elder tell Tinubu.
It is not a surprise to me because Nigeria is seemingly being controlled remotely, and each time there is something like that, it is not only about the President Tinubu. It had to do with others, the front runners. PDP and AD could have done the same, even worse. Remember, at one time, all of them went to one capital or another in order to promise something that they could have done. One of them to get rid of the refineries, to remove the subsidy. These are things that subsidies are, like I said it earlier. Each time I said the subsidies are rights. They are not privileges. They are rights of the people. Whatever we have, if it is gold that we have, this gold that we sell, we must have it. There is no way you have the mother who sells food and you to buy it exorbitantly. Your own must be at rebate. You must eat food, not impoverish you all the time.
So if Nigeria has an abundant oil, yes, Nigerians should be able to benefit
absolutely
from it by way of subsidies.
Absolutely. The white men, what are they doing? They don't have oil. They buy it, the white fuel, and they subsidize it by 80% for their own people. Why is it the opposite in Africa? They are doing it for Nigeria and Angola. Why is it that only Angola and Nigeria could not put together their refineries? All these years, even President Buhari promised 6 months, they couldn't do it because the foot soldiers are there. And Nigeria has been being trapped. They are waiting, they are trying to trap Nigeria since independence. They couldn't get Nigeria to be the way of Congo that is still fighting the wars with over 140 militant groups.
So you are seeing weapons. The hands of former colonial masters and from foreign hands in these, but these are policies by our own government.
Absolutely.
But when you say that the government's policies are remote controlled actions, what do you mean? Who are these people?
You can't see them because they intimidate. And unless a leader will say, okay, whatever I have as a secret, you can take it, but I will let me serve my country. In the past, they used to use people within even the government to intimidate, to frame, to blackmail. Some of them, they poison them and they kill them, including intellectuals. But they protect their own intellectuals.
So you mean that the Tinubu government, yes, most of their actions?
Blackmail. Being blackmailed.
So the likes of Femi Falana, who says, yes, IMF, World Bank are backing some of the policies of the government, that he is right.
Absolutely. Senior advocate Femi Falana was absolutely right. And it is not going to end there. The more you do one, tomorrow they will bring another one. They are interested in plunging Nigeria into crisis, lawlessness. That is the main thing that they want. And they are not happy that Nigeria is the only country without the foreign troops.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video and hear the message where he sent to Tinubu, I'm going to still play you the next video for you to watch and hear waiting this the debtors Urobo, the many hear waiting they talk for them and say they are Igbos, as in nobody can divide them from them and their Igbo brothers. I want you to watch this video.
I am telling the whole world today that
We, the Ijos, the Urobos, the Agbos, the Isoko, the Ishekiris, the Idomas, the Ibibios, that we are one. Whoever tries to divide us is making a mistake. In the first place, Biafra is a nation which we belong to, and that is what we are known. We have been existing for over 5,000 years before Frederick Lugar came to join us with these people called Nigeria. We are not Nigeria. If you ask a Nigerian man today, what is the meaning of Nigeria? They will never tell you the meaning. Why? Because they don't even know the meaning of Nigeria. How can you answer a name that you don't know the meaning? The British came and they saw a lot of black people in a country full, in a land full of black people, and they decided black people with different cultural background, different look and everything, and they decided to join everybody together and name them Niger area. We all know what Niger area means. If you divide the names, Nigeria, Niger, and area, if you want to pronounce it in American terms, you call it Niger. And they decided to put us together and said we are Nigerians, which is Niger area. We all know what Niger area means. An area full of black people. And of course, Nigeria is the most black populated country, nation in the world. So that is not what we are. We are Biafran. We are known as Biafran. God has blessed us with all the natural resources. And ever since these people discovered that we, the original owner of the land, because it is when Africa will never have peace until Biafra comes. And thank God we, the Igbo-speaking area, because the Yoruba media or the Nigerian media, to say, have destroyed we and our brothers. The Imo, the Enugu, the Anambra, Port Harcourt, Akwa Ibom, Abia, Ebonyi. Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, please do not forget to drop your own opinion for inside comment section and let me know what you think as they hot for that side. Make sure you share this video and make sure you follow our page as we dey here they bring you update. Please, my people, do not forget to share and comment in this video. Thank you.